Okay, I just wanted to give everybody a quick little overview on the online library tutorial and how to get into it, how to get it done. If you've already completed it and you're happy with your score, you're set. Okay. If you've taken it one time, please understand you can take it a second, a third, a fourth time until you get the score you're happy with. Okay, so you can take it repeatedly and you don't have to wait. The quizzes do have a time period that you have to wait at least an hour. The online library tutorial doesn't. And I really want to emphasize the online library tutorial guides you through all the methods of doing research at the college or university level. It will give you the skills that you are going to be calling upon as you move through your degree here at Victor Valley College. And if you move on to a university, either Cal State San Bernardino, UC Riverside, or any university. The principles that guide library research at the college and university level are basically the same. And this tutorial will help you enormously make sure your research time is used effectively. It will also save you a lot of time when you would otherwise get caught up in other things. Wasting time here or there, or the other things are just walking through the stacks. So this library tutorial will be extremely useful. Let me shrink myself up and walk you through how to get into it. Here is our guide, and where it is in week 13. Okay, it's been sitting here since week 13, and you can click on it right here, and it will take you, and that's really the only major assignment that's there, the online library tutorial, besides the videos, because the thing we're working on right now is the book. Okay. So the online library tutorial is right there, or if you're one of those folks who likes to use the modules, let's go there. And you click on the modules, and I posted it recently in week 13, and there it is right there, the online library tutorial. And if you use either the page or the modules, it will take you to the same place. That's right here. You can open it in your own browser by clicking here, and it will open up in your browser itself. Okay, complete this. It will walk you through things. It should take you under an hour, but it might take more. Could very easily take more. It might take less than that. Okay, it's up to you. But go through it as best you can. And I should have entered everybody's grade who has finished it, and I will enter the highest grade you receive. So in other words, if you take it one time and get like a 88, and then take it another time and it drops down to an 83, I'm going to leave the 88 in there. Okay, that almost never happens. Almost every time somebody scores in the 70s, retakes it, scores in the 90s. But everybody's different, and go at it as best you can and use your time wisely on it. If you think you can get an A in this class or a B in this class, make sure you get a good score in this, because it will make a difference. Okay? Good luck with this, guys. Take care.